Okay, so our next poetry book is about canyons. And this book is filled with beautiful photographs of canyons and other natural landscapes. So let's go ahead and read it. Okay, Canyon by Elaine Cameron. Photographs are by Michael Collier. Have you ever poured a pail of water over a sandcastle and watched the rushing water make a long, deep cut through the sand? Something like that happens when a river pours down from the mountains and makes a long, deep cut in the earth. A canyon. Rock is harder than sand, and it takes a long time, millions and millions of years, to make a canyon. No matter how long it takes, and no matter how deep and wide a canyon becomes, it all starts with tiny drops of water high up in the mountains. Water falls softly in cold snow crystals onto the mountaintop. It melts into drops and moves in trickles that slips through the crannies. And driven by rain, slide into creeks that tumble downhill. And swelled by storms, foam over falls and gushed into brooks that splash in the sun. Joined by swift side streams, it cascades through the rocks to rush in a river that surges down channels and crashes through boulders, and with mallets of masses of pebbles and with sandy razors of silt, it carves out the stone. And through sun and rain, seasons and years, and stretching over centuries, as water wears down rock, wind weathers the stone. And gravel scores the sides, the river roars loudly as it runs, and drives and hammers and pounds, digging the riverbed, steepening the cliffs. It sculpts, forms, shapes, changing the land, chiseling through time, creating the canyon. So it says the photographs in this book were taken along the Colorado River and the many streams, creeks, and rivers that flow into it. And that's it.